Hello everyone, before we start, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Rosella Bagat Liabres from BSIS1C. Today we will talk about something that affects us all, which is the peer pressure. Peer pressure is when our friends or classmates influence us to do things we might not want to do. It can be good or bad, and it's important to know how to handle it. In this speech, I will explain what peer pressure is, how it can affect us, and how to deal with it. So let's start by understanding what peer pressure means. Peer pressure refers to the influence that our friends and people our age want us to think, act, or behave in a certain way. It can be both positive and negative, and it plays a significant role in our lives, especially during our teenage years. There are three factors contributing to peer pressure. The first one is wanting to fit in. We all want to be accepted by our friends. So we might feel pressured to do what they're doing just to fit in and avoid being left out. Second is media influence. Movies, TV shows, and social media can show us what others are doing and make us feel like we should do the same. It's important to remember that not everything we see is real or right for us. The third one and last is low self-confidence. When we don't feel good about ourselves, we may be more likely to give in to peer pressure just to gain approval or feel better about ourselves. Peer pressure can have both positive and negative impact of our lives. Positive peer pressure can motivate us to do better in school, try new things, and make positive choices. It can help us grow and succeed. The negative peer pressure can lead us to make bad decisions, get into troubles, or feel guilty. It can harm our relationship, self-esteem, and future opportunities either. Now, let's talk about some way to handle peer pressure. First, be confident in yourself. Believe in your own worth and abilities. When you're confident, it is important to say no to things we don't feel right or go against our values. Next is choose positive friends. Surround yourself with friends who support and encourage you to make good choices. True friends will respect your decisions and won't pressure you into doing something you're uncomfortable with. Next is speak up. It's important to express your thoughts and feelings. If someone is pressuring you to do something you don't want to do, calmly and assertively say no. My voice, your voice, our voice matter. Last but not the least, seek support. If you struggling with peer pressure, talk to us. Talk to a trusted friend or talk to a trusted adult like a parent, teacher, or counselor. They can offer guidance, advice, and support to help you to make the right choices. Those are the four strategies how to deal with peer pressure. So always remember that peer pressure is something we all face, but we have the power to make our own choices. By understanding the different type of peer pressure it affects and using strategies to handle it, we can make smart decisions that align with our values and well-being. Remember that it's okay to be yourself and stand up for what you believe in. That's all. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you learned a lot about peer pressure. Once again, thank you so much.